What if I told you that two cars sitting side by side in a parking lot today could still be running strong 20 years from now? When it comes to reliability, two names dominate almost every conversation: Toyota and Honda. Both brands have built legendary reputations for making vehicles that can survive hundreds of thousands of miles. But in 2026, which brand actually lasts longer? Today, we're comparing Toyota and Honda in reliability, maintenance costs, engine durability, resale value, and real-world longevity to find out which one truly deserves the crown. Let's get started. Toyota has spent decades building a reputation as one of the most reliable automakers in the world. Models like the Toyota Corolla, Camry, Prius, and Land Cruiser have become famous for reaching 200,000, 300,000, and sometimes even 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. One reason Toyota vehicles last so long is their conservative engineering philosophy. Instead of rushing to adopt every new technology, Toyota often waits until systems are thoroughly tested before introducing them into mass production. This approach reduces unexpected failures and keeps maintenance costs relatively low. Toyota's hybrid technology is another major success story. Many Prius owners have reported extremely high mileage while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Even in 2026, Toyota continues to rank among the most reliable brands in numerous industry studies and owner satisfaction surveys. But Toyota isn't alone in the reliability race. Honda has built its reputation on engineering excellence and durable powertrains. Vehicles like the Honda Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Pilot are known for their ability to keep running year after year with minimal problems. Honda engines are particularly famous among car enthusiasts. Many mechanics praise Honda's naturally aspirated engines for their simplicity, efficiency, and long-term durability. Historically, Honda vehicles have offered a slightly sportier driving experience compared to Toyota while still maintaining impressive reliability. Owners frequently report driving their Hondas well beyond 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. However, some recent Honda models have experienced issues related to turbocharged engines and oil dilution concerns, although many of these problems have been addressed over time. Still, Honda remains one of the most dependable automotive brands available in 2026. So how do these two giants compare head-to-head? When comparing reliability, Toyota often holds a slight advantage. Independent reliability studies consistently place Toyota near the top of the rankings. The brand's focus on proven technology gives it an edge when it comes to avoiding major mechanical failures. Honda performs exceptionally well too, but Toyota tends to experience fewer unexpected repairs over the long term. Think of it this way: Honda builds cars that are reliable and enjoyable to drive. Toyota builds cars that are reliable almost to a fault. If your primary goal is maximum longevity with minimal surprises, Toyota generally comes out ahead. But reliability isn't the only factor that determines how long a car lasts. Both Toyota and Honda are known for affordable maintenance. Parts are widely available, mechanics are familiar with both brands, and routine services are usually straightforward. However, Toyota often edges out Honda in long-term ownership costs. Toyota's simpler engineering and lower repair frequency can save owners money over many years. That said, the difference isn't massive. A well-maintained Honda can be just as economical to own as a Toyota. In reality, maintenance habits matter far more than the logo on the front of the vehicle. Skipping oil changes, ignoring warning lights, and delaying repairs can shorten the life of any car, regardless of brand. Another important factor is resale value. Both Toyota and Honda retain their value exceptionally well, but Toyota often commands slightly higher resale prices. Why? Because buyers trust Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability. Models like the Toyota Tacoma, 4Runner, Land Cruiser, and Corolla consistently rank among the strongest performers in the used car market. Honda vehicles also hold value remarkably well, especially the Civic and CR-V. But if two similar vehicles have the same mileage and condition, Toyota frequently sells for a bit more. That extra confidence reflects the market's belief in Toyota's long-term durability. So, which brand will last longer in 2026? The answer is simple. If you're looking for the absolute best chance of reaching extremely high mileage with the fewest mechanical problems, Toyota takes the win. But Honda isn't far behind. Honda offers outstanding reliability, excellent engines, and a more engaging driving experience while still delivering impressive longevity. The truth is that both brands are among the best choices you can make. A well-maintained Toyota can easily last 300,000 miles. What do you think? Are you Team Toyota or Team Honda? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive comparisons and car technology content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.